pajamas. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today we have kind of a request. One of our channel members that hit the join button sent us an email saying, I would love to see you guys make something like more Asian inspired street food, something like that. So Babe and I were talking about it. Korean style street tacos. Are they street tacos?
They're street tacos.
Korean style street tacos. Maybe a little bit of cucumber on the top, like a little bit of slaw dressing, some lime juice, sriracha. Yeah, that's what we're having today in our pajamas.
Gonna be so good.
It's gonna be a pajama-rific Korean style taco
Don't
party.
mind me and my jammies.
All right, so follow along. Simple video recipe. Talk about the ingredients. Babe's gonna cook it. And yeah, it's super simple, right?
Yeah, this is going to be really delicious. Packed with flavor, easy to make, quick.
Maximum flavor, maximum fun.
Quick Sunday dinner.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
And here we go.
Okay, are you ready for your shopping list? Let's go. You're going to take a whole lime and slice it up into pieces for squeezing. We have some Kewpie mayo, but you can use whatever mayo you like.
Negative. Japanese mayonnaise. Japanese mayonnaise link below is the greatest mayonnaise in the world. Go ahead.
Sriracha.
Except if you like Duke's, and that's a big controversy.
Duke's is pretty good.
Back to the shopping list. Lime, mayonnaise, sriracha.
Teriyaki sauce. Some sort of coleslaw mix. You can buy it bagged at the store. Pre-cut, pre-shredded, all of that. A shallot.
A shallot.
These are delicious. A cucumber that we're going to use our carrot peeler and we're going to make them into little ribbons. Tortillas, any kind you like. Not the cheap tortillas.
Not the cheap tortillas.
And very, very thinly sliced beef.
Ribeye steak.
And
There
that's
you
all
go.
you need.
That's it. That's the whole package, folks. So what are you doing now, babe? You're cucumbering?
So first I'm going to peel this cucumber because I don't like the skin personally. And then we're going to turn them into little ribbons. And we're going to make the little pickled veggies to go on this. See how you have that?
No, we don't see that. You need to put your hand down a little lower.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
I mean, if you turn it like that, it's like a ribbon. So there you go. Good enough. Okay, next I halved my shallot. And I'm cutting it just into thin little strips like this. And we're going to throw that in our pickle mix as well. I ended up doing the cucumber until you get to the seeds, and then you want to stop. So it didn't give me a ton, but it gave me just enough because we're not making that many tacos. Okay, and we're only going to use about a quarter to half of our shallot because they're pretty strong. Okay, next we are going to just juice half of our lime.
You're saving the other half of the lime for later.
The other half of the lime is going to go towards our slaw.
What about our thumbnail?
And our thumbnail, well, we can use this squished lime. Okay, that's going to give it that pickly, sour zing. And then we're just going to put a little bit of water in, like a tablespoon, just to coat it. And we're going to set that aside in the refrigerator. If you want to add a little bit of salt or a little bit of sugar, you can. That always helps in the pickling process. New bowl with our slaw. We're going to put our mayonnaise in there. We're going to put a little bit of sriracha. You can put as much as you want. And then we're going to put the other half of our lime in there. Okay, so we're going to stir this up and we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let that get all marinated next to our little pickled veggies. Okay, so we're going to add our avocado oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer, into a pan on medium-high. We're going to get that going, get it hot. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper right here on our steak, and then we're going to cook that up. This is really a simple, easy, quick meal. It doesn't take long. All right, let's lay these babies down. They're gonna cook really quick, so I'm gonna turn it down. I just wanted to heat it up. Okay, if you have the beloved gas stove, I like to throw them on top and heat them up that way. They just taste so much better. You get that little bit of char on them. It's so much better than a microwaved tortilla. Yum.
Yum.
Okay, heat's off. So we're gonna put our teriyaki sauce in. A little bit of sriracha. And then I'm gonna turn it back on just to try and candy it up just a little bit. Make sure it's nice and coated, and then we plate. All right, our warm tortillas are ready. We have them in our little fancy taco holder. So let's build. I'm gonna take some meat. Oh man, these smell really good too. Okay, I'm gonna take a little slaw. And a little bit of our pickled cucumber and shallot to top. That's gonna give it some nice crunch. And those flavors together are really good.
Let me just zoom in on your creation, babe. Oh, baby. Okay, babe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Before we eat, though, we have to say thank you to our top tier channel members. Thank you guys, thank you to all of our channel members, no matter what tier, thank you so much. But we have to roll our top tier channel members across the screen right now. Thank you to the 8 of you. Thank you. We really appreciate you. And babe.
Yes, babe.
If you want to be a top tier channel member and you click the join button and you're at the top tier, we will send you a box of Babe Swag.
Oh,
Babe
yeah.
Swag.
It's good stuff.
T-shirts, stickers, fun stuff. We really appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Now I'm
Thank
ready
you,
to
everybody.
grub down.
Okay, I made you this one. I squeezed some lime.
You squoze.
I squoze a little lime.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah. Oh boy.
I took the one that you
Okay. Let me pack it in. 'cause
gawked at with too much.
Well, I already gonna tell you that I'm gonna need a towel because I'm gonna stuff my face. Let me just show what's going on here. Oh
Yeah.
my! Wow. Well, it's already
Yeah.
dripping.
Okay.
It's
ready?
already dripping.
Cheers.
Here we go.
Those flavors are really good.
The meat. The meat.
That is packed with flavor.
The ribeye. With the
slaw.
teriyaki and sriracha.
And you're not normally a slaw person.
Well, the mayonnaise is good.
Yeah. That is really good.
Woo!
It's got some spice to it.
A little
definitely
bit
has
from the
kick.
sriracha, but you can do that as you want.
Yeah, work with your sriracha. Just dripping on me. Oh, yeah.
So romantic.
What?
So good.
Oh.
You guys got to try this. It was easy. It took us 20 minutes.
Well,
20 minutes. Easy. Sunday night, weeknight, whatever night, lunch, breakfast, I don't know.
Korean style tacos. Ding, ding.
Delicious. Yeah. Good job, babe.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, I know. It's super yummy. So many flavors. If you try it, let us know.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm stuffing my face.
Yeah. We've got more
Thank
to
you
eat.
guys. Thank you guys so much. And we'll see you in the next episode.
See you on the next one.
See you on the
Thank
next
you.
one.